the first day of winter.
Yeah, this is the first day of the winter.
No.
Oh, but you know what? It's gonna snow some more. Don't worry. Maybe tomorrow it will snow more. Yeah. You know what? If it snows tomorrow, there will be no rain. So you have all the time you want to make snowman, to make a snow angel.
It won't snow tomorrow.
Oh. You know what you can do?
What?
You can pray for the snow for tomorrow. It will come. It will come. It's alright, bud. It's gonna snow again. It's gonna snow again tomorrow. How about this? How about this? If it snow tomorrow, I'll come here and play some, and make snowman with you.
What if it doesn't?
If it doesn't, well, I'll just have to wait for another day.
Oh.
But it will. It will. It's gonna snow tomorrow. Yeah, it's gonna snow tomorrow.
I can't.
Yeah, it's gonna snow tomorrow.
It's not gonna snow tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah. Look outside. Look. You'll have plenty of. You still have plenty of snow when the rain stops tonight. See?
No, it stopped tonight. There'll be no more snow. And the snow is falling off on the trees.
Yeah.
And now it's starting. The snow is falling off on the houses.
Look this way, Gunner.
Even worse.
Huh? What'd you say?
Who's that?
What's that?
Who's that? Who are you
Oh,
talking to?
Oh, that's your neighbor.
Mommy?
No, I'm talking to you. Yeah, yeah, I'm talking to you. See the truck over there? They're just removing the snow from the street, so nobody can get stuck. You see it? See? Where'd it go? See? All right, people. Connor just disappointed that it started raining.